Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Today I'm here to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of October 2025. In Guelph, the market softened a bit as both sales and new listings slowed down as we head toward the end of the year. We're sitting in a balanced market, which means that our sales to new listing ratio remains slightly higher than the 40% threshold that it needs to be at. The median sales price for all home types came in at $739,500, which is down by about 6.4% compared to October of last year. And homes are taking a little bit longer to sell, with the median days on market now being 23 days, up by more than 9.5% relative to last year. For detached homes, the median price was $800,000, down about 8.8% from last October. Townhomes and semis averaged $674,000, a drop of about 1.9%, and condos came in at $465,000, down almost 10% from a year ago. The good news is that balanced conditions mean more choice for buyers. And for sellers, sharp competitive pricing and strong presentation are key right now. Looking beyond Guelph, Center Wellington saw a bit of resilience, with prices actually up 6.4% year over year to $845,000, though activity was slower. In Kitchener, prices eased to about $650,000, down nearly 10%, while Waterloo stayed fairly steady at $739,000, off just 2.7%. In Cambridge, the median sale price was $679,000, down 5.2%. As mentioned, across the board, we're technically seeing balanced conditions, with conditional offers being the norm and home values remaining relatively stable. Overall, it's definitely a quieter fall market with opportunities on both sides. If you're thinking about buying or selling, or just want to keep an eye on the market and where it's headed, reach out anytime. You can also check out the full market report at the link in the video description down below. Thanks a lot for joining me today, and have a great day.